Hi. So say you are working on a project such as a website, and you'd want the users of the website to be directed to, let's say, your YouTube channel or something, and instead of uh, displaying the link in terms of text, you'd want to display the link of your YouTube channel, anything related in terms of image. How do you do it? So it's about how to use an image as a link in HTML. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is this is my VS Code right here. Okay, so I'm just going to write a simple and few lines of code just to demonstrate how it works. What I mean is, how do you use how do you use an image as a link in HTML instead of using text? So let me show you what I mean uh, between the two. So if, let's say, you have your doc type right there, then I have my HTML. Then here, I don't really need the head. I'll just use the body here. This is just to demonstrate. Okay, just to demonstrate like that. So let me just write a simple heading here. Let me use the h1 tag like that. So let me say hi, welcome to Transcended Engineering. Okay, like that. Okay, so down here, let's say this is some part on the front end of the website or something. So I would want someone to be able to be directed to my to one of my YouTube channel or both of my YouTube channels. Then what I would want to do is, instead of me using text, I'd want it to be I want the link of my YouTube channel to be displayed in terms of an image. Let's say the logo of my channel itself. So what I'd want to do here is, I'll use, of course, the this element. I'll use the for the links. The tag that you use is a. Then the attribute is href. Then we say equals. Then in those double quotes there, you have to paste the link of it's more like that's the URL. That's more like this is the syntax that we use. You're going to have to place the URL. So here is just more like you have the your URL. Of course, I'll get it somewhere. Then down here, I can say, let's say for example, channel link, like that. Channel link. So where I have URL here, I'm supposed to get uh, let me, this is one of my channels, which is actually the same channel. So let me get the link of this channel, then I paste it there. We can go there and send share channel, then copy, like that. So where I'll copy the URL here. Okay, like that. So when you run this, okay, when you run this is how it's going to come. Hi, welcome to Transcended Engineering. Then you have the channel link here. So what I mean is that in place of channel link, I'd want it to be displayed as an image. Let's say the logo of my channel. So here's how we do it. So instead of me writing channel link here, I'm just going to erase all this part. Then I'll use these symbols. Okay, then here I'm going to have to place an image. So say image, then src, that's the attribute that we use for image, like that. So here I'll have to place the image address. Okay, image address. Okay, I have to place the image address there. Where do I get the image address? Let's say I want to get the logo of my channel. I can just search here on this browser, Transcended Engineering. There it comes. Then I'll go under images. There I have it. Then what I'll do here is that I'll copy the link address. Then I'll open a new tab. Then I'll paste it there like that. Then I can now copy the image address. So in short, you just have to copy the image address. Don't copy the link address. Just copy the image address. Then you can bring it here on your code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So where I have image address there, I can just copy it there like that. Okay, there I have it. Then it's just a matter of running everything. Okay, so when you run, uh, that. Okay, wow, this is coming too big. So we can actually specify the dimensions. So I can just come here before the closing tag. So let me say the the width. The width is equals to let me use 100 for example. Then let me set the height to also be 100. Okay, 100. Okay, then let's see what we are going to get. Let me run it. Okay, something reasonable. So you have observed to say, instead of me having say hi, welcome to Transcended Engineering, then it shows me say channel link or something, I have an image. So on my website, if there is a part where I want someone to be directed to my YouTube channel or both my YouTube channels, then I want it to be displayed in terms of an image instead of a link. So someone can just come here. If you observe, if I hover around this image, it actually changes from this pointer to more like a hand. Then if you click it like that, then there it will take me to this YouTube channel here, from which the where I got the link from, and that's actually how you do it. So this is all in this one. Thank you very much for watching.